Hi everyone, in this video I will work the regression problem on project 1 part 1. You can use graphing calculator or other technology if you wish, but in here I'm going to use Excel. So I copied and pasted the data in Excel, and the problem says that X represents the time in years where X equals 0 corresponding to 2000, and Y represents the corresponding residential sales. We're asked to find a quadratic regression model that will give us the residential sales as a function of years or number of years since 2000, and we're asked to find a quadratic regression. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another column. And in the column I added, I will convert the years into number of years since 2000. So since we start counting from 2000, I'm going to have the year minus 2000. Okay, so year 2000 is X equals 0, and I will copy this formula for the other years. So here we have year 2003 will give us X equals 3, and so on. So the next thing is I'm going to graph. So I'll select my data, and in the Insert tab, I will go into the Charts section, and I will pick the scatter plot. So I have a scatter plot of the data where the X is number of years since 2000 and the Y is the residential sales. Then click on the scatter plot, and you see that we have highlighted the scatter plot, and after that right click, and you will see a dialog box open, and scroll down to add trend line. We'll see another dialog box open on the right screen, and since we want a quadratic model, we're going to go down to polynomial, and quadratic is a polynomial of order 2. So here we have order 2. Scroll down to the bottom to choose display the equation on chart, because we want the equation of this quadratic function that we found. Let's move this a little bit farther here. So here's the equation. Okay, so the equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So in our case, a is negative 2.0794, and we're asked to round a to the nearest hundredth. So a is going to be negative 2.08. So I round it to the nearest hundredth. And we want b to be rounded to the nearest tenth, and b is 44.41, so b equals 44.4, and then c, we need to round it to the nearest integer, so c is 1185.1, so round that to 1185. Okay, so now that we have A, B, and C, plug those into the R of X function right here. And after you have this equation, you will be able to answer the questions